Hello, everyone. My name is Caroline Passmore. I am the owner of CRP Specialists Inc. and Bookkeeping is Fun LLC. CRP Specialists is a client advisory company that provides bookkeeping services specializing in the nonprofit organizations and the trades to ensure that their books are ready to be sent to their tax preparers. Of course, we will help anyone who does need help because with our other company, Bookkeeping is Fun, is where I coach those who are learning bookkeeping and we help them to overcome that fear of taking on clients, and we help them to gain experience and confidence not only in themselves but by giving them an opportunity to learn in a supervised live environment of actual books rather than just that learning environment that they get when they take those courses, that is just a cookie cutter environment. Now, today I want to talk about some essential financial planning tips that can help you to manage your business better. We're going to cover creating a realistic budget, forecasting future expenses and income, and adjusting that budget as needed. So let's get started. So first, let's talk about creating a realistic budget. A budget is simply a plan for your money. It helps you to understand where your money is coming from and where it's going. So here is how you can create one. Now, first, you have to identify your income. You start by listing all of your sources of income. This could be from jobs, contracts, or any other sources. Now, you want to make sure that you calculate your total monthly income. Then, second, you have to list your fixed costs. Now, what are fixed costs? Well, let me tell you. First, your fixed costs are expenses that stay the same each month, like rent, insurance, and salaries. Add up these to get a clear picture of your monthly obligations. Now, let's list your variable costs. Now, what's the difference between fixed and variable costs? Well, fixed costs, as we just discussed, stay the same each month, but variable costs are expenses that can change from month to month, like materials, utility, and fuels. Estimate these costs based on what your past months have happened. Then finally, we want to think about setting aside a contingency fund. Now, it's important to have a buffer for unexpected expenses. You want to aim to set aside a portion of your income for emergencies. Now, this may be something that is difficult at first when you're just beginning your business, but as you grow, you should begin setting aside a small percentage of your income, and then will increase it as you're able. Now, by following these steps, you'll have a clear picture of your financial situation and can make informed decisions. Now, let's discuss forecasting future expenses and income. Forecasting, on the other hand, helps you to plan for the future by predicting your financial needs and potential earnings. So here's how you do that. We'll start by analyzing past data. You look at your financial records from the past year and you identify patterns in your income and expenses. And this is going to help you to make educated guesses about any future trends. And you take into consideration seasonal changes, of course, because many trades experience seasonal fluctuations. For example, you might have more work in the summer and less in the winter. And this, of course, depends on the area in which you're located, but you want to make sure that you plan for these changes in your forecast. And this is where you'll begin to project future income. You'll do this based on your past data and any upcoming contracts or jobs, and then you can estimate your future income. Now, you need to be realistic and conservative both at the same time in your estimates, of course. But what this really means is we all want to reach for the stars, but we have to remember that these are real numbers, not goals. So finally, we will estimate future expenses. And this is similar to our income. You will predict your future expenses based on past data, any upcoming contracts or jobs, but you also need to include both fixed and variable costs that, like we discussed in the budget. You don't want to forget to account for any planned investments or potential upgrades that you may want to do in your business as well. So by forecasting, you can actually anticipate any financial challenges or opportunities, allowing you to plan accordingly. Now, next, we want to talk about adjusting your budget, because your budget is not set in stone. It should be a flexible and adaptable to changes in your business. And here's what you do to keep updated. You want to review your budget regularly. You can set aside time, whether you want to review it each month, each quarter, whatever the case may be. You want to compare your actual income and expenses to your budgeted amounts. You want to identify any discrepancies that may be in your budget. And if you notice that maybe certain expenses are higher than you expected, look for ways to either cut costs, or if your income is higher than anticipated, consider maybe investing in your business or increasing your contingency fund. That would be a great way to increase that in contingency fund if you're making more money. You want to also make sure that you're staying informed. You want to keep an eye on the market trends and changes in your specific industry. This will help you to anticipate any changes in your income and expenses and adjust your budget accordingly. Then, if you're really unsure about how to adjust your budget, don't hesitate to seek advice from a financial professional. They can really provide a lot of valuable insights and help you to make informed decisions. Now, improving your financial planning can make a really, really big difference in your success of your business. By creating a realistic budget, forecasting future expenses and income, and adjusting your budget as needed, you'll be better prepared to handle financial challenges and seize opportunities. Now, we here at CRP Specialists can assist you if you are unsure how to do this for your business, or if you have any questions. Let's work together to improve your financial planning and ensure the success of your business. So again, my name is Caroline Passmore. I am the owner and profit strategist here at CRP Specialists, Inc. If you do need any assistance with your books or with any of that financial planning, feel free to reach out and we are very happy to assist. We can be contacted through Facebook Messenger or by email, or feel free to schedule a free consultation through my calendar link, and I would be happy to have a discussion with you to see if we are a good fit. So thank you for your time, and we look forward to helping you focus on what it is that you do best while we take care of the financial planning and the bookkeeping. Let us manage your money while you manage your business. Thank you, and have a great day.